Assalamualaikum to Puan Salilah. Now our group will present a presentation on chapter 3, which is integration. Before that, let me introduce the members of this group. Okay, first, my name is Muhammad Adi Fahmi bin Jaafar. My metric number is 01DKA21F1001. Second, Muhammad Iqmal Danish bin Kamal. Her metric number is 01DKA21F1006. And lastly, Muhammad Faiz bin Hafiz Arafat. Her metric number is 01DKA21F1007. Okay, the next, let me explain about the team roles and responsibilities. Between the roles and responsibilities of each member of our group is the first introduction of group members and team role and responsibilities, and also question B are the responsibilities of me. The next, introduction of integration and summary, and also question A are the responsibilities of Iqmal. And lastly, the example of integration of real life, and question C are the responsibilities of Faiz.
Now I want to present about integral. What is integral? Integral, like limit and derivative, is another important concept in calculus. Integral is the inverse of differentiation in some sense. There is a connection between integral calculus and differentiation calculus. The area and distance problems are two typical applications. Indefinite integrals. In our previous work, we have discussed problems involving differentiation. It is known that all operations in mathematics disciplines have reverse process in solving related problems given. Problem of reversing the process of differentiation is called antiderivative. We shall use the following notation.
The integration are also being used in real life. Here are some work that use the application of integration. Mathematics for an architect engineers. An architect engineers utilize coordination in deciding the measure of the vital materials to develop band shape developments. For example, arc over a games field, and furthermore to gauge the heaviness of that design. Math is utilized to further develop the design of structure as well as significant framework like scaffold. In electrical engineering, calculus or integration is utilized to decide the specific length of force link expect to associate two substations which are miles from another. Mathematics and physics. Physics also needs such application in daily life. These science require application of integrals answer, for instance to compute the center of mass, center of gravity, and mass moment of inertia of a game's utility vehicle. To figure the speed of direction of an item, foresee the situation of planets, and get electromagnetism. Integral calculus is used by this science always.
Based on the question, the graph of a curve with equation y equal 1 over 4 x squared plus 3 and y equal x plus 6. The first question determine the point of intersection A and B between two lines y equal 1 over 4 x squared plus 3 and y equal x plus 6. To find intersection A and intersection B, we must replace the equation y in equation y. So 1 over 4 x squared plus 3 equal x plus 6. And we get x equal 6 and another x is negative 2.
The calculation of question B is y equal x plus 6, and then y equals 0 plus 6, and the answer will be y equals 6. The answer is y-intercept points of 6. At the end, the graph will be like this.
To find the value of shaded parts, we need to minus the sum of integrate of straight line with the sum of integrate of the result of the curve. That's how we solve this kind of the question.
The conclusion. Integration is the calculation of an integral. Integral in mathematics are used to find many useful quantities such as areas, volume, and sand displacement. When we speak about integrals, it is related to usually definite integrals. The indefinite integrals are used for antiderivative. Integration are basically used to find the areas of the two-dimensional region and for computing volumes of three-dimensional objects. Therefore, finding the integral of a function with respect to the x-axis refers to finding the area of the curve with respect to the x-axis. Besides that, it also helps us to know the direct relationship between the two variables. That's all from our group. Thank you.